All right. In here is a very unique solution to all your windshield problems. I'm joined with Moris over here. Thank you,
nice
Moris.
to meeting you. Hi.
Morris
Hello.
is from Endless Water, and
Yeah.
what does Endless Water do?
Okay, well, this water is recycled, the water that dropped to the road from the AC, air conditioner, the water that when you drive in your car, you see a lot of water behind the car. So we collect this water and we move it to the wiper tank, so the wiper. So it means that you never need any more to use or you refill the wiper anymore because all the time you have water in the tank of the wipers.
In a dusty country like India, I face this
A lot of
problem
water.
every day.
Yeah. I know.
I come back, I fill in like my washer fluid all the while.
Yeah.
So this was a very unique solution that we saw over here. Take us through your journey, like how did you come about with this idea?
We come about the idea from necessary.
Okay.
My partner asked me before we created the idea, he told me, you're stuck with that water in the car. I said, I'm the guy that is danger. Yeah, sometimes I find myself take a bottle of water when I'm driving and clean the window, and it's very dangerous. Yeah. So we think about the solution because my friend come from the air conditioner world. He said there is water that drop on the road. Let's pick them and recycle them to the wipers and say it's a great idea. Let's do it. And then we go and we start to work on this idea. So what you can
how
see
does it work?
How does it work? This is the endless water. This is the system that connects to the water tank. You see, there's a lot of water.
Yeah.
This is like in the toilet. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
When it's full, the system close.
Okay. Yeah.
Close, and then the water drop from the regular way to the road. So I didn't stop anything in the car. I didn't change nothing.
Okay.
And it's water, very clean water. It's AC without dust, without pH. It's clean water. So it means doesn't stop your how it's called the thing that go from the wipers, the small thing that the water go.
Yeah.
Sometimes with the blue water that we put, the water don't go away because it's stuck there.
Stuck there.
And we're talking a word that the water for the wisher, it's not just for the clean the window. Now all the leader, or you have to see the road. We need a solution that the camera, when you're driving, is supposed to be clean all the time.
Correct.
So all the time you have water to clean the window so we can see the road very good. So it's safety. And it's ecologic. You don't need the bottle of the everybody buy one full refill and drop the bottle of the water for license to the road. 1 million car, 1 million men, it's 1 million plastic that drop on the road.
Correct.
Why?
So apart from sustainability, if we want to get like one of these, like how do we get one of these, and how do you retrofit it in a vehicle that you already own? Like how tough it is to fit one system in your car?
It takes 25 minutes.
Okay.
To do it.
And what all countries are you exporting to right now?
India is very good for us. It's the same temperature like Israel. Canada, it's cold. We are not for them. We are not ready for them, but we can do because in the end, it's going to be a filter like this. It's going to be antifreeze inside, so we can use all over the world. But now, India, Israel,
all the hot countries.
All the hot countries is good for us now.
Are you also working with some OEMs to already give the solution pre-fitted to their vehicles?
This is new idea. We just started. This is the first exhibition that we are show our prototype. And we really want to go to the world. India is one of our steps because it's what you say. It's a lot of sweating, like in Israel. So how much water is 4 liters for 1 hour driving in the car. So it's refill your tank in 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you, Moris. Thank you so much for your time.
How much?
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And there you go, a very indigenous solution. Nobody thought of, but Moris did. And here we are. We may see them in a lot of OEMs in the future there as well.